Welcome to Bridging module in the series of Learning Python. Today we'll be covering how to install Pycharm, and my name is Kapil Shukla. In this module, we'll be installing Pycharm on Mac. Pycharm is one of the many available integrated development environment that is IDE for Python. It's one of the most comprehensive one and widely used in the industry. Pycharm is developed and managed by a company named JetBrains. Today, instead of installing Pycharm directly, I'll be taking a different approach and instead install JetBrains Toolbox. This toolbox allows you to manage other products offering from JetBrains like IntelliJ for Java, WebStorm for web development, in case you want to use those products. Even if you just want to use Pycharm, this toolbox will allow you to easily manage the installation and future upgrades. To install this toolbox, we'll have to go to the JetBrains website, which is jetbrains.com/toolbox/app. I'll be providing this link in the description box below. JetBrains should pick up the operating system you're using and suggest you the download according to your operating system. You can still choose the OS version yourself to download the installer of your choice. Now click on the download to start the download, and once the file is downloaded, locate this on your machine. I have already downloaded this file, and I'll double click to start the installation and follow the rest of the instructions to complete the installation. As you can see, this installation is completed. Now I'm going to open the JetBrains toolbox from my application. I'm going to accept through this privacy agreement. For now, I don't want to send any anonymous usage statistics to JetBrains. So I'm just going to say accept. I do not want to log in, so I'll skip for this moment. Now, as you can see, let me close this window here. These are all the products offerings from JetBrains. So for today's topic, we'll be covering Pycharm. Now Pycharm comes in three different flavors. One is community, education version, and professional. Now community version is the one which we'll be using and which will be sufficient for our tutorials. Pycharm education one has the education licensing, and the professional ones is a paid one which comes with full whistles and horns. It gives you the advanced features. For our course, Pycharm community version will be sufficient. I'll be clicking on this install to begin the installation. The installer is still installing the Pycharm, and I'm going to wait and let it finish its things. Now once Pycharm is completely installed, I can launch it directly from this toolbox. At this moment, I'm not going to import any settings because I did not have any previous installations of Pycharm. So I'm going to click on OK. It's going to ask me what UI theme I would prefer for my Pycharm. I'm going to select the light one, which is easier on eyes. And a few more options which I'm going to skip for now. I'll be covering how to install Python in the first module of this learning series. Thank you for watching.